Hey, Seth Hiller here at the Weatherby booth, Great British Shooting Show 2024. I am the new products manager at Weatherby, here to talk about the Model 307 Range XP. This is our newest action. We just came up with it, first new one in 50 years. This particular rifle was designed to have adjustability built into the stock, so you can adjust length of pull, you can adjust your comb height. It's got a 700 action footprint, side bolt release, so you're able to go ahead and pull your bolt nice and easily on this. You've got 840 screws on top for your mounting system, Stiller style Savage pattern. You have a detachable box magazine on this, Magpul P-Mag 5-round, available in a variety of calibers. This rifle is cerakoted for good weather protection, and it's got a Trigger Tech trigger in it, adjustable all the way down to 2.5 pounds, field trigger, M16 extractor. It's just a very, very nice rifle for any kind of hunting purpose that you could come up with.